Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you use WhatsApp. So this video is very important for you. WhatsApp are introducing couple of new features. We will see detailed demonstration in this video one by one. So my WhatsApp screen is here. First of all, I just open here one of the group. My group name is RR. No matter how many people available on in this group, without call you can talk any person very easily with the help of Walkie-Talkie. How to do it? This is my WhatsApp group. Consider if I scroll up. So look at this here. This option automatically coming. I just simply use my another phone. And look at this here. The join option is showing here. If I tap here, so if I'm speaking here, we can chat each other via voice. No matter how many people are joining in this particular walkie-talkie session, that one is really amazing features are introducing by WhatsApp. Second feature, you can convert your entire voice message as a text format. First of all, I just simply drop one voice message. Hello, welcome to Research Rocks. You are watching YouTube video related on latest WhatsApp features. So I just simply send here one message to here in my group, and now I won't convert as a speech to text conversation. So first of all, you need to enter the setting of WhatsApp setting, then chat section, and here voice message transcript option is available, manual. Firstly, never showing. You can select the manual and which language you want convert, you decide. I just simply select here Indian English, go back, we can enter here, and then transcript. So look at this here. Afterwards, the entire voice is converted as a text format. That one is really nice. Second thing, we just simply enter here in the WhatsApp status section. If you tap here, top of the screen some layout is showing here, text, music, layout and voice. You can make a status for 2-3 images continuously. So I just simply layout and select 1 2 3 4 5 images, and then next. So look at this here, the 5 images look like this. You can add one more image. So at a time you should add here 6 images, 3 images, 2 images, one by one. Which image format you are liking, accordingly you should decide and set your status like this. That one is really nice. Second thing, we can go back chat section again, and afterwards I just simply press here video. If you want to send some video of someone special, so here the new magic button is showing. Afterwards you can select here like this. So look at this, the video you should record like this, afterward like this. So many features available currently. So accordingly you should make the video and send someone real time. Now video is recording and then send. That's it. That one is really nice. And you can add your favorite calls as well. Simply add the favorite and just simply select here. So first position, the call is coming. Always top of the list, the particular person information is showing here. Afterward you can very easily call. This is the some of the interesting features introducing by WhatsApp. If you have any question related on this video, please ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.